Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's video we're gonna do a new format. It's a CCNA Let's Play on PingMyNetwork. So what's a CCNA Let's Play? It's not an educational video, it's not a CCNA course. It's just me completing the entire CCNA pathway on PingMyNetwork. So we're gonna do together all the lessons and the labs and just chill out. So you can watch this video after studying when you actually just and you just want to chill after a study session. So I'm going to create a new account and from scratch to end the CCNA. Let's do it. So I've created an email address. Let's play and let's do it. Oh. So welcome. You must be the new network administrator. I would love to give you a tour of our office. Unfortunately, we are having a critical network issue right now. Oh no, it's getting worse. Come on, you're going to help me. So, there is a major critical network failure and we're going to help the team to resolve the issue. The network engineer had to leave urgently because of another major business issue. Right now, you are the only one available to handle this situation. For monitoring system, you're raising critical alerts. Yeah, I've seen it. So are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. This XP, okay. On the engineer desk, you find an unwritten note. Monitoring alert, switch HQ, access SW1. Enable and some commands. Okay. So, according to the node, the issue is affecting the switch HQ access SW1. The management interface VLAN1 is down, which is causing the monitoring system to report the switch as down. Connect to the switch. Okay, so we're gonna use PuTTY. Oh, okay. I'm in the switch. So, instruction. I think I just have to type command configure terminal interface VLAN1 shutdown and write memory. Oh, okay. Lesson completed. Another step on your CCNA journey. 100% to task. Demonstrate your expertise and showcase your progress. Okay. 1 day streak. Okay. Early adopter. One of the first male users to join PingMyNetwork. New badge unlocked. And go to the next lesson. So, I've passed my CCNA in April 2024. I already have all the knowledge to pass the CCNA, but it was 2 years ago. I'm gonna redo all the lessons, and I think I don't have all the knowledge to pass again, so I think I will learn new stuff in this Let's Play. So, start networking. Thanks to your intervention, the monitoring system is back online. The team lead, thank you for resolving the incident. Great job, you're on the way to becoming a great administrator. I hope. Now you need to know a few basics. We'll continue practicing together, move step by step. Okay, donc it's a start networking. I will do the lesson right after, but okay. So this is my dashboard. Now let's play my badge. Okay. Two tasks, high strict, and the ranking system. Oh, okay. 300. Okay. Start networking. Resume learning. I don't know how much time this video will do, but I think 10 minutes it's okay, or 20 minutes, I don't know. I will do 1 or 2 lessons per video. Thanks to your intervention, the monitoring system is back online. Okay, great. Team lead, thank you for resolving that. Now you need to know a few basics. We'll continue practicing together and move step by step. End device versus network device. So, end device, computer, laptop, smartphone, server. You already know this. Network device, switch, hub, router, and firewall. Okay, as a network administrator, you will mostly work with network device. Yeah. Starting with switch. For now, there is nothing to configure. This step is there to make sure these basics are clear before moving on. When you're ready, complete. Okay. The switch. Imagine it is your first day as a network administrator. You sit at your desk and connect your computer to the company network by plugging it into a switch. Why the switch matter? A switch allows multiple devices to connect and communicate with each other. In an office, you are easily connected to the same switch as other employees. Yeah. In the next step, you will access the switch and interact with it directly. Okay, let's go. Your first goal will be to name the switch. So, open the CLI. I'm gonna give the switch a name. Enable. Figure. Okay, this works. First name, my first switch. And oh, level 2, let's go. I think. Okay, once the insertion are complete, you can see that the host name has changed. Yes, great job. These are simple actions, but they are exactly how network administrators start. Understanding will come step by step. For now, what matters is that you were able to do it. Answer the question below to complete the lesson. Which command is used to rename a Cisco device? Host name. What's the hint? This command is used in global configuration mode to change the device name. Thank you. Lesson complete. Another step on your CCNA journey. Start networking. Okay. Okay, so for today I think it's good. We achieved 2 lessons. We are at 1% of the CCNA. And the next time, in the next video, we're going to enter in the Cisco CLI and view the physical networking part. So the layer 1 of the OSI model. We're going to view the OSI model later. And video after video, we're going to enter in more depth in the CCNA. Okay, thank you guys. Hope this video was helpful or just cool to watch, and give me your opinion in comments. Bye.